Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got some friend mail, and then I also got I went to a little store in my neighborhood. I'll tell you about that in a little bit. I am wearing the Haunted Europe palette that I just received from Nomad Cosmetics. And here she is. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And on my lips, I have Yansa Super 8 Vibrant Silk Lipstick. And this is in the color Noble. I never can find it, but all right, this is how you open this. Blue, hang on. Is you, oops, that way, and then it comes out. And there it is, and I just love that color. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And this is taped up. And did I say this was from Betty Vick? Betty Vick is one of my fabulous subscribers. She and I have gotten close, and she sent me some goodies, and she spent a lot of money on the postage, y'all. Spent a lot of money, and she put some really cute little stamps on there too. So I can't show you the front because her address is on it. But anyway, I had to do a little cutting because she really packages it. She packages things very well. Make sure that they are nice and, so that they don't get broken. And let's see what's in here. She told me a little bit about stuff like, oops, oh, wow. Oh, there's a letter. I got in a previous Cat Lady box, we got some 3 containers with lids that sit together. And I passed those on to my neighbor and dear friend Joan. So Betty broke the container and thought, well, maybe Joan would break the lid. So she passed that on to me. So she says, just in case she melts her lid in the microwave, so that she passed that on instead of, going through things instead of just throwing it out because you don't have the container anymore. But let's see what the note says. Now, it's a couple pages long, so I'm not sure I'm going to say all this. Hey, Mary. Betty has fabulous handwriting. She is a retired school teacher. She says, I hope that your shoulder is on the mend. It is. It's doing it. Yeah, it's taking a while, but that's life. So, okay, maybe you can. Okay, let me see. Oh, she's got some. I just gathered up some things that I hope you will enjoy. This paper is beautiful. Betty finds the prettiest things. She finds the prettiest things. Okay, and she did tell me this. There are some banana chews in here that she used for stuffing. Instead of using stuffing, she's sending me snacks. Last time she sent me pretzels. So I opted for the banana chews because I think of you as being more of a tea gal over coffee. Well, I like both. I do like both. Okay, now there's some other things in here. She's telling about what's in here. The package outgrew the mailer, so I just covered the box with it. Hee hee. Love you, Betty. Okay. So here are the banana chews. These are Milkita, and I believe Betty said that she went to a Japanese store. She has a Japanese store by her. So like here's some of these stationery. Everything she gets from there is too cute. But yummy. I've had things like this. This looks familiar to me. I may have had this before. I don't know. This is beautiful. Maybe I shouldn't be sharing this. Betty, should I not be sharing this? Because she has a lot of personal notes on here. So she sent me these gorgeous cards and said that she used them with students when students would send her gifts. So let me show you. They are gorgeous. They're from Gartner. There's the Gartner. And gorgeous. It says thank you. They're beautiful thank you cards. Thank you, Betty. You might be getting one back. And beautiful envelopes. That is so sweet, Betty. Thank you. So Betty's been doing a spring cleaning or a fall cleaning, whatever you want to call it. And she found a few things. So those are beautiful, Betty. Thank you. So that's what she said, that she used to use them for her students. And also in here is one of my favorite masks. This is this is Tony Moly, good old Tony Moly. And this is an eye mask, so it makes you look like a cat. So we'll have to do that coming up soon. This is a brightening eye mask, Cat's Perfect. I like that mask. It's very nice. And here's something else. Oh, for your holiday entertaining. These are pretty little cat napkins. You know, y'all, I do buy things like this, like at TJ Maxx. And what was the name of that other store that closed down that I love so much? They'd have things like this. But I buy things like this when they would be on sale. And just to put my cup under, just, you know, to have something pretty when you're having, you know, just even a glass of water or a bottle of water. Just, you know, pretty things up for myself. So these are gorgeous, Betty. I love them. I definitely will be using them. Not that I will be entertaining, I don't know. But I'll be using them for myself if I don't entertain. And she sent me some olives. Betty's in California, so she gets these things right in California, 100% California grown. Isn't that fabulous? Early California Simply Olives, ripe green, medium pitted olives. I love olives, y'all. It says, this is by Musco Family. Oh my goodness, this is funny. The label has a hand, and then there's an olive on each finger. When we had any holiday at my house, my parents' house, my grandmother's house, there was always a relish tray. You know, Thanksgiving and Christmas, Easter relish trays. So some pickles, some spiced apples, you know, those kinds of things, and the little gherkin pickles and things like that. And there'd be olives, and there'd be green olives, and there'd be black olives. And we would put them on our finger. The green olives that my mother always served have the little red pimento in it. But the black olives, we put them on our fingers and then eat them. So can you see that? I love that. Thank you, Betty. I will definitely enjoy them. I love in the evenings, I eat like my main meal at lunchtime. And then in the evenings, I like, it depends on, you know, what I have, maybe a little leftover or something, but some cheese and crackers, and olives will go great with that. It says that they're mild and buttery. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And in Betty's cleaning of things, she sent me some of her Ipsy bags so that I could share them with y'all, like in giveaways. So ones that she's not going to use, that she said that are nice and clean. Look, she didn't even take this off of here. This was sometime over the summer. Beautiful. These are beautiful bags. So very, very pretty. Thank you, Betty. These will be nice to put in a giveaway. So the next few giveaways, I'll put these in. This is one of my favorites. This satin, it reminds me of the 50s. And then it has this gold leaf on it. You know, like a frond kind of leaf. And it does say Ipsy there. And then this one is fabric. This one's all fabric with a tassel. And this one's also, well, no, this is, I was going to say it's fabric, but it has a little bit of a plasticky feel, so you could wash it off. This one, look at this cool pull, zipper pull, has Ipsy, and it's a starfish. I don't remember this one. It might have been when I wasn't getting it. It has a yellow interior. I love that. That's cute. And then this mesh one, I think I remember the mesh one. This says Ipsy on the, oh no, this one's Birchbox, sorry. Birchbox. So this is from Birchbox, so I'm not sure what was in there. But that's cool. And then a couple of bags. Oh yeah, this is the Halloween bag that was, everybody went crazy for a year or two ago. There's Ipsy. And then it's the Halloween bag. And then this one, this one says moves something. I can't see what it's saying. All right, hang on. Here comes blue. It says bold moves only. So that's a Boxycharm, Ipsy Boxycharm bag. So thank you so much, Betty. Oh, there's something else in here. There's a snack in here. Oh, wow, I'm gonna love these. I'm gonna love these, y'all. These are chocolate covered, cream covered biscuit sticks. So the biscuit has chocolate cream. I'm not quite sure, but I'm gonna love them. Let's see, let me open them and show you one, because I love any kind of snack. I'm a snacker. I love to snack. And blue is right here. Thank you, Betty, so much. Betty's so sweet. She's just the sweetest lady, and we gab back and forth, you know, on DMs. All right, I'm gonna try to show you one of these if I can get it open, y'all. Oh yeah, this is nice. Look at this, chocolate covered, and it's a biscuit stick. Delicious. That biscuit is like a butter, you know. Oh, that chocolate is good on there. Yummy. Thank you so much, Betty. You're the sweetest thing. So I have this bag full of goodies that I got. Smudge is gonna get right in there. Let me put it down. They might get in it and make a lot of noise. A friend of mine has a shop in my little town, and they did a grand reopening because they moved just across the street. But she's in there with a couple of other ladies, and you know, there's some booths in there, so you can rent a booth. And then but Maggie and then another lady are quote unquote owning the store. So I bought some things, and I went to the grand opening and bought a couple things that I just couldn't resist because they're so cute. Look at this. This is handmade. That's a spool from thread, and a green block, and then some cute stuff on it. Isn't that cute for fall? Love it. And so this was handmade, and then actually most everything I got was handmade. This still has the price on it, and the well, anyway, I think I paid $3 or $4 for this, and I paid $5 for this. This is a pumpkin, and the lady that made this, I really like her artwork, so I wanted to get this one. She had many to choose from. I thought these were good colors for me, so try to put it back there somewhere. I might not be able to, it might not fit, so it might have to go elsewhere in my house. But look how pretty it's decorated. Very pretty. And then these, her husband is a craftsman, and what they do is they take old furniture and they repurpose it or regenerate it. I have some bedside tables, or you know, with drawers and stuff from them. So I don't know if they cut these birds out or bought these birds, but she did tell me she did put the leaves on the birds. I love birds. And these came as a set, and I think it was $10 for the set, I think. So they're decorated on both sides. Oops. And with leaves, just beautifully done. And like I said, her husband may have cut these out and stained them. I'm not real sure, but they're beautiful. And then because I was there for their grand opening, they gave me a gift. And this is the gift. This is a bag. Whoops, that sticker from, whoops, I dropped something. I don't know what it was. This is a nice bag. It has a magnet closure. It has a bottom that you push down to flatten the base of it, and it has handles. So it's a nice shopping bag, and it is you know, I don't know burlap. It's like burlap, and then this side looks like, you know, like embroidery. And there's also a zippered pocket inside, which is nice, so you can take this with you and put something important in there, maybe your driver's license or whatever. And then it has a magnet closure, and they gave me that for free for coming in. So that's so cute. So I just had to show you all that. I had to get it out of the bags because the cats were going crazy with the bags. So I didn't want them to ruin everything. So you all take care and count your blessings. So good to see you. Thank you so much, Betty. You are such a sweet lady, and I really adore you. And y'all, I love you all so much. Take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.